Welcome to What's Going On Kev. In today's video we're going to be walking through this Medina in Essaouira. I want to show you guys a little bit of the nightlife in this short video. This video will be less than 10 minutes, but just giving you a little bit of the nightlife and how it is. Plus we were on our way to dinner, so you'll also see a little bit of our dinner as well, what we had. I hope this is not the line for the restaurant. Guess what, Kayla, is this the restaurant? I hope this is not the line for the restaurant.
There's so many. Like, there's a lot. We walked through the whole thing. It's here, this way, right? Yeah, there's a lot of.
You surprised?
This isn't it. This is it. This isn't it, right, Gil?
Here it is. Spa.
Oh, this is spa.
No, this is not. No, that's that. This is the cuckoo something as well. So we're gonna ask him.
Le Petit.
But it says spa. It says massage.
Look at the name.
You get dinner and a spa.
Karine, Rain, look at the line to get in.
For what?
The restaurant is right here.
That's
Kayla
not the
told me.
restaurant,
Yes.
baby. No.
Man. Welcome to Morocco. Yeah. Cobblestone streets.
Remind you of Quebec? I was about to say, remember when we were in Quebec?
Nah,
Remember when we were in Quebec with the cobblestone streets? And
this doesn't remind me of Quebec.
Remember? The wall and Kayla and Marty climbed on the wall and be like, just be careful, I don't want you to fall off. Look at that cute little, oh yeah.
It's an art gallery. Oh man, he doesn't have any other coat. And he left cold ass New York like that? It's crazy, man.
Me, I said I wasn't going to bring my big ass coat.
Oh look, that guy's playing with fire over
I'm
there.
going to take my little tiny coat, but I'm going to put on that little something underneath it. The
Yeah.
vest. So I took
Sweater
the vest.
is bulky. The sweater's mad bulky. It has fur inside too.
It's half asleep.
Hey, look at that guy over there playing with fire.
But I'm not cold. You guys are cold.
You wanna go over there, go check him out?
We want to yam food.
He'll come back.
He'll be here. He'll be here when we get back.
Oh, look, Kayla, look at this.
Man. What do you think? You think that's cashmere?
We're in the wall city at night.
Guy, play with fire. Is this the restaurant?
No.
No. I'll lead the pack. And lead the pack. Everywhere.
When there's a lot of cats, you know what there's not a lot of, right? There you go. This town is filled with cats. Cats all over the place. Man. Wow. Whole different energy over here. A whole different energy over here. What's that, fig?
You can't eat that like that. It's crazy. Oh, look,
There's a whole different energy on this side of the world. So guys, we're trying to find a restaurant. My daughter knows where it is. I don't know where it is.
oh, look, Kevin. Here they go again.
Yeah. I can't finish the other one. I watched him. Check if you have your wallet.
You have no wallet. You have nothing in my pocket. Enough on you.
Yeah, I saw that. I don't know what it is.
Cave.
What is this, pepper?
It's some spicy stuff.
It's good to try it first. Finally, the dinner is here. After waiting for about a good hour, our meal is here. So this is where I actually turned the camera off and got down to business. So the next scene, you're gonna just see us walking back to get a taxi. Now this is the place when it's empty. It's 10 something right now at night. So you could calculate that in time, Eastern Standard Time. It's probably, I'd say probably 4 o'clock. Alright. Walking through these pathways, it's like going back in time, to be honest. And a lot of these streets are hundreds of years old. You know, it's really an experience. Man.